So today the kids are making a Thanksgiving meal for lunch that will serve to all the students in the CBSS and Functional Skills programs, and then all of the special education staff as well.
Cheese casserole, mashed potatoes, turkey, and stuffing.
We do a lot of different life skills like reading a recipe, and we have visual recipes for the kids so they know exactly what they're going to be putting in each of the foods, so helping them to cook and prepare a meal and all the different steps that go into that, and then also like social skills, working together to create the food as well too.
I learned how to cook, and I learned everything my teacher taught me.
How to cut butter individually, like individual pieces.
I learned how to bake some certain stuff.
So it's really important for them to get this experience, because when they leave here they're going to be on their own, so they'll need to know how to cook and interact with people, so this is really good practice for them in that sense. I'm grateful for my students and my coworkers and the awesome team we have here at Truman.
They brighten up my day.
Happy Thanksgiving!